In today's video, I want to talk to you a little bit about the press-on nail business that I just started on Etsy. So welcome to the channel if you're new here, and welcome back if you've been on my channel before. Right now I'm creating sizing kits. As you can see, I'm using the brand Apress for my nail tips. I like this brand because they have all sizes and that's very convenient. And right now I'm just gonna be taking one nail of each size from the box and placing on the sizing kit on a double side tape strip. I designed these cards on Canva. I saw another press-on nail artist on YouTube with a similar design, so I decided to go to Canva and see how I could create something similar. Maybe in the future I will do some tweaking, like the color. I think this color is a little bit boring, but that's what I have for now. I'm writing the numbers of the nail tips with a marker because the numbers printed on the nail tips, they're very hard to see, and this will make it easier for the customer to write down their numbers and send them to their nail artist. I've been wanting to start the press-on nail business for a while, but I never really made any purchases toward all the items that I needed. Finally, now I'm starting to put everything together. And yes, my Etsy store is very new, and I have just a few listings on it. And I made my first sale already, and hooray for me! I'm so happy about that. It was unexpected, and I said, oh, as a new seller, I don't know what is going to happen, but I guess I was lucky and I got one sale. And so right now I'm just placing the sizing kit in this clear bag that I purchased at the local craft store, and it's the same exact size as the card. It's a 5x7 bag, so it's very good. It's a very good fit. So next I'm going to make a second sizing kit with this nude color. These ones are from Aprés as well. These tips don't carry half sizes, but that's okay. I just wanted to offer this option as well. The sizing kit is designed to help you determine the correct nail sizes before placing a custom order. And the price is very affordable, but once you place your order, the cost of the sizing kit will be credited towards your nail order. Okay, here I'm going to show you how I put together my prep kit, and this is just very simple. what I'm doing right now, I just purchased these small clear bags, and all the items fit very well in it. I was lucky to find these bags. So what I'm gonna do is just put one item of each. I'm starting with the sticky tabs. The sticky tabs are gonna be 24 sticky tabs in total, 2 alcohol wipes, one wood cuticle pusher. This is all disposable. Then I'm going to be including a mini file, a mini buffer, and right now I'm not sure if I'm gonna be including glue, because sometimes people have their favorite glue and it's not the one you give them. But right now I have a few leftovers here from other ones, and I'm just gonna be adding them for now. And to close the bag, I purchased these labels on Shein. You can buy different labels there already pre-made saying thank you for supporting my small business. And yeah, so the rest of the video I'm just gonna let you watch. I'm gonna be trying some nails that I'm gonna be trying to create, and see if I come up with some designs that are cute and good for us to put in for sale. So I hope you get to visit my store. Check it out in the link below. And yes, we just watch the rest of the video. Let me know, give me feedback. What do you think of the designs, and what would you like to see next? I'm trying to change the angle of the camera just to film different, and right now I'm just gonna mount this overhead arm here just to film from the top, and just to try to make the videos a little bit more interesting. So right now, like I said before, I'm just gonna be trying some new ideas and see if I come up with something cute. So thank you so much for being here, and yeah, I'll see you on the next video, but I'll let you watch the rest of this one. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something about press-on nail business. I'm new to this, so I hope you learned something. And I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye-bye.